In this episode, we're going to be test riding, reviewing this 125 beastly 4-stroke KTM RC125 that we've just finished servicing. So let's do this. Welcome back to Menace Rides, guys. In this episode, we're going to be test riding and reviewing this awesome, popular KTM RC125 2018 model. This is the orange with the black accents in it. We bought it as a stolen recovered. We've done a full service on that. If you want to watch our video on the full service, please like, share, subscribe. Click on the link somewhere and you'll get a full service video on this bike and the trick bits we've done on this. But for today, guys, we're going to go for a ride, see what we think about it, how we feel about it. It is only a 125, we can't expect too much from it, but we can give you our opinion, a valid opinion on what we think of the vehicle and as a riding vehicle. So let's talk more action, let's get into this.
Let's get some tar under these tires. Okay, I'm not expecting much, guys, only because it's a 125. Can only do that much with a 125. Okay, guys, this is a acceptable learner bike. And we're not saying learn how to crash, we're saying be safe on the roads. Make sure we got good line of sight. Here we go. It's got a gear indicator as well, very helpful. I think all bikes should have that as a feature. Here we go. Hitting the tar. Alright, first impression, very light, very nimble feeling on the bike. It's got a rev limiter. Yeah, we've got third gear. Let's get these tires warmed up. Alright, guys, initial impression. Very easy, very light to turn, very nimble, handles nicely around those corners, actually surprisingly fun. Again, if you're into superbikes or you'd like to become a superbike rider, this is probably an awesome start. It's got enough to get you around, plus a little bit extra. I'm loving it. I feel like 16 again. Back in my day we rode 125s, but they were all 2-stroke. So I can't expect the same. 2 strokes are 2 strokes for their power band. But this is fun. I mean, I'm not talking about sitting at a robot, traffic light. That's not fun. We want to get moving. Yeah. Steering is super light, my mirrorage is awesome, I can see exactly what's happening behind me. The dash is super clear. Because of the screen I don't have much wind resistance. Here we go, it's our turn. Out of this mess. bit squashy on the brakes, but I think the brake fluid change is in order. It has done 6,700 miles, pulling very nicely. The engine talks to you, if you know what I mean. You can feel exactly what's happening. Unfortunately, I am used to bigger bikes, so I'm taking it into the red line because I'm expecting more and I shouldn't. Yeah, she wants to go. This is a super fun bike, guys. Lovely sunset. It's an October sky, guys. We're in October at the moment. A little bit cold out, but good enough for a ride. Any excuse really. Let's give her the beans. See if I can overtake a car. That would be great. Okay, I'm pinning her. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, baby. Not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, these brakes are horrible. I need to sort out these brakes. Ugh. Let's do it again, let's do it again. She's struggling. Yes, I saw 70, I saw 70. Hoorah! Let's slow it down. Okay, round and round we go. Competition, yeah. Who's that guy? Slow down. Can't even overtake that guy. Michael! Yeah, fist bump, fist bump. Everyone's going to the gym. I work hard enough at home. Don't need to go pay to work out somewhere else. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, like I said guys, super comfortable, super easy to ride, nothing much to it. It's got a little bit of go. A little bit of go. Thank you and bye-bye. I'm going to try to do a 0 to 60 for you. Well, there's no cars behind me and we are on 0. That's going to take a while to get there. Okay, that's a Rideout.
Alright guys, that's nail biting stuff. Not. That's a KTM RC125. First time riding it properly. We've done a full service on it guys. Wow. I would say that if I was 16, 17, 18 and I was wanting to become a learner rider and this bike was available back in my days, I would definitely consider it as a potential candidate. It's got everything I would want in a bike. I'm a super bike type of guy, so I like the sports side of things, and this is ideal for that. If this is the style bike you like, then I would definitely recommend it. It's got enough go. It's comfortable as a commuter. It's so light, it's so nimble. You feel at one with the bike because of the design of the fuel tank and the sitting position. You feel like you working as well as the bike, if that makes sense. You got to work in sync with each other, and that's what a super bike is. And I think that's a great introduction to a super bike. I mean, it is only a 125. I hope you guys saw that on the video on the Rideout. I pushed it, I got 70 for a split second and it came back down to 69. So we got that 70 miles an hour, and I think for a learner rider, I was pushing it. It's not something you should be doing on these things. You should be commuting, you should be learning, you should be driving safe. But I was just trying to see what we could get out of the machine in the red line. And it's not the way to treat the machine, not at all, but it is a quick video. It is a honest review. I want to see what it can do. I want to try and put it to its limits. And yes, it's not a racetrack bike. For that you probably like a two-stroke. You know, I come from the era of 2 strokes, and I expect a little bit more, and it's just not there because of the power bend you get on a 2 stroke. But as a learner, a 4 stroke, this is not going to surprise you. It's not going to be overwhelming. It's so light to handle. It's so awesome around the corners. I mean, you saw me on the little windy roads out of this place. It's an easy bike to ride. The controls illuminate. Everything you need to know is right in front of you, so you can be focused ahead of you. The mirrorage is awesome. You can see exactly what's happening. It's got good adjustment up, down, back and forward. The only complaint I have is that the seat is a little bit hard, and I can imagine that after a whole day's worth of riding or commuting, you know, you're going to want a bum massage, because this seat is a little bit hard. After a period of time, you start realizing it, and it could become a distraction on the road. You'll be like, but no, otherwise guys, a very awesome motorcycle. For what it is only a 125. You can't expect more than like 60, 65. It doesn't matter what 125 4 stroke you're going to buy. That's sort of the range, depending on your weight. Value for money, I think a 2018 RC125 at the moment, they probably retail for around the 3 grand mark. This one will be for sale, or it is actually for sale, around the 2.5 grand mark, only because it was a stolen recovered. Even though it's HBR clear, we want to move these bikes to get newer bikes in, to get some content for you guys. So the idea is to make a bit of a profit, but also do reviews, teach you guys how to service these things. Guys, please stop. I know what you're going to say. It's a little bit of a long video, but like, share and subscribe, and watch our video on how to service this, because I know it's a handy video. You're going to want these bar ends on your bike. I don't care what bike you ride. You want bar ends on your bike, watch our video on bar ends. You want to fix up bikes, watch our videos on fixing bikes. All I'm saying, guys, is we're putting a lot of effort, a wide variety of content out there. So please like, share and subscribe. That helps us, help the channel, and we've got a surprise for you. I'm gonna take you somewhere quickly, and I'm gonna show you what you can expect as an unveiling. We've got a new bike, guys. It's not something you see every day on the road. I think there's actually very few of them. It's a limited edition. That's a clue. It's a limited edition. It is a 125. I'm going to show it to you under the covers and give you a picture of the, well, I don't want to give it away. Right guys, competition time. I need you guys to comment below and let me know what limited edition 125 we've got under the covers. But I'm going to give you a clue. Number 1, it's a 125. Number 2, it's limited edition. Number 3, there's hardly any of them on the road. That's 3 clues for nothing. I'm going to give you a sneak peek, guys. Let's lift the skirt. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Should I go more? Mark, should I go more?
A little bit more, a little bit higher.
She's gonna get embarrassed.
Too much. Too much. You've shown too much, Mario. You've shown too much.
Okay, that's enough, guys. Guys, comment below. Let us know what bike you think this is. And the winner must please send me a t-shirt. Right, guys, that's it for this episode on the KTM RC125 2018 model. I'll give it an 8 out of 10 only because of the seat and the seat factor. Otherwise, it's a perfect little bike. Easy for learners, easy for starter motorcyclists. And guys, ride safe, be safe. And if you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe. Check out in the links below all our other videos. We've got a full video series on this and other bikes. If you like our content, again, I'm asking nicely, just click that little bell notification. Okay, just bloop 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 bloop, and you'll get notified on our next video, and that's going to be on the unveiling of a limited edition 125, one of 80 in the UK. So click that bell, like, share, subscribe, drive safe, be safe, Menace Rides. See you later.